In this video, we will cover how to apply for a toll-free number for the United States. From the dashboard, navigate to the toll-free tab on the left. Click on New Brand button on the top right corner. Fill your profile information to every required field. Proceed with filling the info about the brand/company. Make sure that the company website is active and contains information that is presented in submission. Make sure that the support contact email address is active. It's beneficial if the company email is using company TLD and not @gmail.com or any other public variations. Make sure that the company website contains information about the company and description about the use cases verticals so the submission form and website does have an appropriate connection. Input correct address format in business registered address. In the use case category, choose the closest use case related to your use case. In the use case summary, briefly describe how you will use the Textback system to send notifications, alerts, two-factor authentication, etc. Note: use case description must be less than 100 characters. Next, enter your sample messages. Sample messages have to be the same with actual campaign message. For sample messages, it must identify sender brand name, no $signs, and exclamation marks in the content. Have opt-out instructions, e.g., stop to end. For the opt-in URL, please make sure the page shows call to action of your campaign. It has to include the following fields: program name and/or a description of the messages that will be sent, organization or individual being represented in the initial message, fee disclosure, example, message and data rates may apply, service delivery frequency, example, 4 messages per month, message frequency varies, etc. Customer care information, example, text help for help. Opt-out instructions, example, text stop to opt out. Link to privacy policy, describing how end-user opt-in information will be used. Link to terms and conditions, describing terms of service. In the opt-in flow, describe how the customer ends up receiving your messages. This should indicate how they opt into your messages and also the messaging frequency and policies. Make sure your website has a checkbox option that end users must select to receiving SMS messaging. After filling all information, choose Create New Profile on the bottom right corner. On the toll-free tab, you'll see your new profile. Click Register a new use case, choose the route, and apply. The Textback compliance team will review the submission. If any details need to be amended or additionally added, our team will inform you. Once the initial review is performed and completed successfully, the submission will be sent to carriers for approval.